Imagine looking in the mirror and barely recognizing yourself. Your reflection is a mix of diaper changes, sleepless nights, and endless to-do lists. Sound familiar? If you're a mom feeling like you've lost a piece of yourself, you're not alone, and there's a reason behind that feeling. Let's talk about the psychology of losing yourself in motherhood and why it's actually a normal part of the process. First, it's important to understand that becoming a mom triggers a profound shift in identity. Before, you had your own routines, hobbies, dreams, things just for you. Now, your world orbits around someone else's needs. That's not a flaw or a failure. It's a biological and psychological response designed to prioritize your child's survival. Your brain changes to focus on nurturing, protection, and connection. Think about it this way. Your brain is wired to bond. The intense love you feel activates regions linked to caregiving and attachment. When your child is tiny and vulnerable, your entire identity temporarily merges with caregiving instincts. That's why you might feel like you've lost yourself, because part of your sense of identity is shifting toward being a caregiver first. Now, why is this supposed to happen? Because it establishes a secure environment for your child. It's evolution in action. When you put your child's needs first, you're fostering trust, safety, and connection. Over time, this intense focus helps your child develop resilience and emotional security, things that are vital for their growth. But here's the truth. Losing yourself in motherhood doesn't have to be permanent. It's a season, not the whole story. Recognizing this can actually be freeing. It means that as your child grows and becomes more independent, so can you regain parts of your identity. Finding moments for your passions, friendships, or quiet reflection isn't just self-care, it's part of restoring your sense of self. So, what can you do today? Start by acknowledging that feeling lost is normal. Be gentle with yourself. Small steps matter, like carving out a few minutes for what makes you feel alive, whether that's reading, a walk, or just quiet breathing. Talk to other moms. Sharing your experiences helps lift the weight of these feelings. And remember, asking for support doesn't mean you're failing, it means you're human. As you navigate this season of motherhood, trust that losing yourself temporarily is part of a bigger picture. It's shaping you and your child, teaching resilience and setting the stage for a future where you can integrate your identity as a mom with who you are at your core. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or like you've lost yourself, take a breath. Know it's okay. This too shall pass, and you will find your way back, stronger and more connected than ever. Because in the end, motherhood isn't about losing yourself, it's about discovering new parts of yourself along the way. Now, go ahead, give yourself permission to be imperfect, to take small steps, and to love yourself through it all. You've got this.